Hello, my dear student. I am Professor G.N. Deshpande. Today, this is the lecture for the refrigeration and air conditioning subject for the chapter of vapor absorption refrigeration system. As you know that your class test 2 will be a MCQ based class test. So in this lecture, we will revise the VARS system. The principle of vapor absorption was first discovered by Michael Faraday in 1824. The first vapor absorption refrigeration machine was developed by French scientist Ferdinand Carré in 1860. This is an important thing to notice. Next, the vapor absorption refrigeration system uses heat energy instead of mechanical energy. Next, the main refrigerant used in vapor absorption refrigeration system is ammonia, that is NH3. In the vapor absorption system, the compressor part is replaced by absorber, a pump, generator and pressure reducing valve. The main component of the vapor absorption refrigeration system are condenser, receiver, expansion valve, evaporator, absorber tank, pump, generator and pressure reducing valve. The simple vapor absorption refrigeration system means the theoretical vapor absorption refrigeration system. The parts or the components which we already discussed are used in this particular simple vapor absorption refrigeration system. The refrigerant absorbent pair used is called as aqua ammonia pair, that is ammonia and water as a refrigerant. The pump used in this theoretical vapor absorption refrigeration system or the simple vapor absorption refrigeration system increases the pressure of the pair or solution up to 10 bar. The strong solution is nothing but the solution in which the maximum percentage of ammonia is there, and the weak solution is nothing but the solution in which the minimum part of ammonia is there. Due to limitations of this simple vapor absorption refrigeration system, the practical vapor absorption refrigeration system consists of few additional parts. The name of the parts are like this: analyzer, rectifier and heat exchanger. The role of analyzer is to condense or to dehydrate the water vapor which are coming from the generator or from the analyzer section. The thermodynamic requirement of the refrigerant absorbent pair is solubility requirement first, then second the boiling point temperature difference. The refrigerant and absorbent must have at least 200 degree centigrade temperature difference in the boiling point, at the boiling point region. Then the refrigerant absorbent pair should have low viscosity and should have minimum pump work, then low freezing point, then good chemical and thermal stability. Additional properties of refrigerant absorbent pairs are like this: the mixture should have low specific heat and low viscosity. The mixture should be non-corrosive. The mixture should have a small heat. The mixture should have low freezing point. The vapor absorption refrigeration system is quite in operation, and there are very less wear and tear of the parts of these vapor absorption refrigeration system because there are very few rotating, or you can say the and moving part of the entire system. The load variations do not affect the performance of VRS system. The VRS system can be built in above 1000 ton of refrigeration plant. The vapor absorption refrigeration system has very low COP. Now moving forward to the domestic Electrolux, which is also called as ammonia hydrogen refrigerator. This refrigerator was invented by two Swedish engineers, Carl Muntres and Baltzar von Platen in 1925. This type of refrigerator is also called three-fluid vapor absorption refrigeration system. The three fluids are like this: ammonia, hydrogen and water. In this particular system, there is no pump used. In a domestic Electrolux system, the hydrogen gas only circulates from the absorber to the evaporator and back. The whole system is carried out entirely by the gravity flow of the refrigerant. No pump is used in this VRS system. This domestic Electrolux is not used for industrial purpose because the COP of this system is very low. Now moving forward to the lithium bromide vapor absorption refrigeration system.